Semen retention, often viewed beyond its physical aspects, is posited to have potential positive impacts on mental health. Practitioners witness that refraining from ejaculation enables the body to preserve essential nutrients and vitamins present in semen, contributing to overall well-being. Conserving semen is considered to facilitate the reabsorption of crucial substances, including amino acids, enzymes, and minerals, which would otherwise be expelled during ejaculation. This conservation process is thought to support the regeneration of bodily tissues, fostering a sense of vitality and rejuvenation. In addition to the physical benefits, proponents of semen retention emphasize its influence on the energy flow within the body, indicating that by practicing it, energy can ascend to the solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra energy governs our ability to be confident, assertive, and make decisions from a place of inner wisdom. This shift in energy is said to enhance one's motivation for self-improvement, leading to lifestyle changes such as adopting healthier eating habits, improving sleep patterns, and engaging in regular exercise. Furthermore, proponents highlight the potential impact of semen retention on the dopamine and neurotransmitter systems. Excessive pornography use has been linked to disruptions of the brain chemistry, potentially resulting in desensitization and addiction. Through abstaining from frequent ejaculation and reducing exposure to certain stimuli, individuals practicing semen retention aim to restore a healthier balance in dopamine and neurotransmitter regulation. The perceived benefits extend beyond physical health, therefore positively influencing mood, focus, and overall mental well-being. This is often tied to the notion that excessive consumption of explicit content, particularly through pornography, can contribute to desensitization and negatively affect mental health. In summary, it can be said that practicing semen retention and transmuting the newfound seminal energy can drastically impact your mental health, but keep in mind that mental health is an intricate topic and influenced by various factors, prompting the recommendation of a comprehensive approach. Seeking professional counseling, incorporating mindfulness practices, making lifestyle adjustments, and considering individual needs can also be essential components in ensuring a good mental health.
Like, share, and subscribe. Keep retaining kings.